So once we figure out what polynomials are, we can start doing operations with them, such as adding or subtracting polynomials. First thing we need to know is make sure we're comfortable with some definitions. So like terms are monomial terms that are either identical or only differ in their coefficient. So 3p and negative 5p are going to be like terms because they both have the same variable, just different coefficients. And then 2x squared and 2x squared y and 8x squared y are like terms because they have the exact same variables, just different coefficients or that number in the front. So to add or subtract polynomials, we're just going to combine our like terms. So we can look, first one right here, we're doing 4a minus 5 plus 3a plus 6. So we can look and find our like terms. Since we're adding, we have 4a and 3a, so that gives us 7a. And then negative 5 plus 6 is going to give us plus 1, okay? So we have 7a plus 1. There are no more like terms to combine, so this is simplified. Next one, we have 6x plus 9 plus 4x squared minus 7. So we have 6x, that can't combine with anything, okay? 9 and negative 7 are like terms, so we would have plus 2, and then we have this plus 4x squared. Okay. This is not in standard form, so let's go ahead and rewrite it. We're going to start with our highest exponent, so 4x squared, followed by our next exponent with our constant at the end. So 4x squared plus 6x plus 2 is completely simplified and in standard form. 2x squared plus 5x y plus 4y squared plus negative xy minus 6x squared plus 2y squared. So a lot of letters in there, but we can do this. First, look for our like terms. So we have 2x squared and negative 6x squared. So we'll have negative 4x squared. And then we have 5xy and negative xy. So that means we're going to have 4xy. And then we have 4y squared and 2y squared. So we'll have 6y squared. So we have negative 4x squared plus 4xy plus 6y squared. This, since we have a degree of 2, degree of 2, degree of 2, this is in standard form and is simplified. And number 4 and 5, we are subtracting. So when you subtract, make sure you distribute that negative, okay, to everything in the parentheses. This is super important, and this is probably the most common mistake I see when people do this, okay? So we have 8p minus 5r minus this whole thing, okay? We're subtracting this whole thing, so we're subtracting negative 6p squared, we're subtracting 6r, and we're subtracting negative 3. The easiest thing to do is change the signs, okay? So 8p minus 5r. So if we change the signs, we're distributing this negative, we're going to change all of these signs. So we'll have plus 6p squared minus 6r plus 3. I go ahead and rewrite it, and then I combine my like terms from there. So 8p negative 6r, we have, 8p doesn't have anything. Negative 5r, negative 6r. is going to be negative 11r, 6p squared, and then plus 3. Okay, so I've combined my like terms, and then I can write this in standard form. So we have 6p squared plus 8p minus 11r plus 3. And then we can do the same thing with number 5. We are going to distribute this negative to everything in here. So 8x squared minus 4x minus 3. Our first one stays the same, and then we just distribute. So we're going to have plus 2x plus x squared minus 5. Just change the signs in all of them when you're distributing that negative. and then we combine our like terms. So 8x squared and x squared, we get 9x squared. Negative 4x and positive 2x is going to be minus 2x, and then we have minus 3 and minus 5, so minus 8 is our final answer. It is written in standard form, so we are good to go. This last one, the picture did not print, so we will skip this one. You will go and practice polynomial operations. Again, guys, watch the operation signs. Okay. Is it saying to add, subtract, or multiply? Actually, you won't have any multiplies. Is it saying to add or subtract? Please pay attention. Add or subtract. Pay attention. Good luck.